Hello everyone, my name is Rajiv and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can make your own power supply with voltage control and current control facility. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I'm following the most easy way to make this device. The main component in this device is the buck converter with CC and CV. And to display the current and voltage value, I use panel voltage and current meter. Now it's time to build a beautiful case for the device. I use a 4x4 joint box as a housing and some banana connector for the output terminal. I used 2 bottle cap to build a multi-ton pot. Now it's time to remove the multi-ton pot from the PCB. Because the multi-ton pot are an important part for this device. After that, I make a hole in the bottle cap's center and then I attach the pot into the caps. Now the caps are a big knob for the multi-ton pot. I think this is the most easy solution for me. Next I mark the all cutting spot in the top of the box and cut with a small hacksaw. Now it's time to put the panel meter and 2 pots. I use hot glue to fix the pot. I also made 2 more holes on the right side of the box for the banana connector. Those 2 terminals are our output. Take a screenshot if you want to make this device. I also provide you the diagram in the description box. Next, this is the pinout of the voltage and current meter. Mainly the thin black and red wire are the supply wire for the meter and the yellow wire is the voltage measuring wire of the meter. The 2 wire terminal is for current measurement. The current direction should be red wire to black wire. If you are really confused, then blindly follow my connection diagram. Before connecting all wire, check the specification. This is my meter specification. The operating voltage range of my meter is 4.5 to 30 voltage. Be careful. The operating voltage range is 4.5 to 30 voltage. And the measuring voltage range of my meter is 0 voltage to 100 voltage. The measuring current range is 0 to 10 ampere. This is all about my meter. After 30 minutes of wiring, I finally built it. So now I am excited to test this device and I use less soldering iron in this project, I think. For testing, I give the supply from a ATX power supply. You can use any SMPS or DC supply for input. So this is the small setup. I attach a LED light with the device and now I fix 1.3 voltage. So you can see when I'm increase the voltage, the light intensity are increase. Okay, so in this way you can easily control the output voltage. The multi-ton pots are help me to set very accurate voltage. Now I am varying the current. You can see when I decrease the current limit, the brightness of light will decrease. In that way you can easily vary the current and voltage. Now I want to cover the bottle cap knob. I put a paper and joint it to the top of the knob and color it using acrylic color. Now I think it looks good. By the way, you can charge your lithium-ion battery by limiting the current and voltage. I set the voltage 4.2 voltage and limit the current to 30 milliampere. You see the 3.7 surrounding voltage because the current are already limited. The only one things you should do remember, the device is working in 4.5 voltage to 30 voltage and 0.1 ampere to 5 ampere because the buck converter is only able to handle 5 ampere, not more than that. That's it for today. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you want to support me, then press the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.